Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today I will explain you the difference between left-hand side view and right-hand side view. A lot of you people have issue, sir, which side view I should draw. So I'll just draw one diagram. It's like this. And they will say draw front view, top view, and left-hand side view. Now, why we have to draw left-hand side view in this? Because that side we can see very easily. You're standing here, this is on your left side. So if I'm doing first angle, then what I'll be doing? I'll be drawing layout. So I'll draw front view, top view, and then I will draw 45-degree from here, and I will draw left-hand side view, which will go on right-hand side. Remember, I'm doing first angle right now. We are doing first angle. Okay. So when you see from the front, you will see just two rectangles. When you see from the top, again, you will see two rectangles. It will be like this. And when you see from the side, you will see this L shape. So this is front view, top view, and this is left-hand side. Now, let's take this way, same diagram. But now X is here. So what happens? This becomes length and this becomes width. Earlier, this was length. Wherever the observer is watching, that side is length and the other side is width. But now when observer is watching it from here, so this becomes your length. So now when you draw front view, top view, and now imagine you are standing here. So then this is your which side? Right side. So the right side will go on left in first angle. So now when I'm drawing this, so this is front view. This is front view. Top view would be like this. And side view will be like this. So if you see carefully, views are same, only the placing has changed and slight orientation has changed. So remember, when you have to draw left-hand side view and when you have to draw right-hand side view, that depends upon X. Okay. 99% they will give you in diagram that draw front view, top view, and right-hand side view or left-hand side view. Okay. So according to that, you need to do. So in this case, imagine you are standing here. So, but very obvious thing is to draw left-hand side view. Now, at times, examiner may ask you to draw right-hand side view. Same sum. He'll say draw front view, top view, and right-hand side view of this figure 1. Okay. So now I can't see right-hand side view, but still he wants us to draw right-hand side view. So I will draw front view, I will draw top view box, and for right-hand side view, I will take 45-degree from this side and I'll project up. So now when you see, see, the front view will be like this. See this is front view, top view will be like this. Now right-hand side view, which we can't see, but always remember in orthographic, 99% of the problems are same on both the sides. Like this left-hand side view and right-hand side views are same. Only the placing will, the slight orientation will change. So what you need to do in this, right-hand side view, so with your little bit visualization, you can say, oh, right-hand side will be like this. So if they will ask you, they won't ask you right-hand side view in this sum. But if they will ask you, remember that it will be same like left-hand side view, only thing you have to draw it like this. Flip. Got it? So this thing you should keep in mind about left-hand side view and right-hand side view. You have to always see X and you have to read the question. So in question, generally they will give you the view which you can see. And even if it is not mentioned, you have to always draw the view which you can see. So in this case, I can see front view, top view, and left-hand side view very comfortably. So that's how I will draw like this. In this case, when observer is standing here, he can see right-hand side view very clearly. So he will draw right-hand side view. But if they will force you to draw other side, like in this case, if they'll ask you to draw right-hand side view, you see from this side, you draw it on the other side. So this way. I hope this clarifies the difference between left-hand side view and right-hand side view. Thank you.